how-to here at Round Rock Honda. My name is Paul Heath, and if it's the first time you've joined our video, well, welcome on. This today is going to be about the CRV and the adjustable tailgate height. So, I don't know if you know, but this particular CRV, anything with a power tailgate, has an adjustable height where it would actually stop. So, you can actually have it up here, down here, or wherever it came to. Now, with the stop itself, it's programmed to wherever it was last set there. But maybe you've got something above you in your garage that actually needs to be avoided. So we might need to bring it down slightly. So once you've got it to the place you want, hold and press that button until you hear a double beep. Like that, job done. And now, that tailgate is set to that last stored height. And that's a little how-to on how to adjust your tailgate height on the CRV.